Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring step by step. We'll begin by covering the absolute essentials to get you started on your journey through the lands between. First, familiarize yourself with basic movement using the left stick and camera control with the right. Practice your light attacks with R1 or RB, and dodge incoming threats by pressing circle or B. Don't forget to open your menu with the options or menu button to access important information and items. Next, let's dive into the fundamentals of combat. You'll want to master both light and heavy attacks, along with your weapon's unique skill. Blocking with a shield can mitigate damage, while a well-timed parry can leave enemies vulnerable. Remember, every action consumes stamina, so managing this green bar is crucial for survival. Dodging is also your best friend for avoiding powerful enemy blows. Now let's explore the vast world. Discovering sites of grace is key, as they serve as checkpoints and fast travel points. When you rest, you can spend your collected runes to level up your character's attributes, making you stronger. Keep an eye out for crafting materials scattered across the land, and visit the blacksmith to upgrade your weapons and armor, enhancing your combat effectiveness. Finally, let's talk about building your unique tarnished. When you start, choose a class that aligns with your preferred playstyle, whether it's a mighty warrior or a wise astrologer. As you level up, strategically allocate your attribute points to boost stats like vigor for health, endurance for stamina, or strength for damage. Experiment with different weapons, armor sets, and spells to create a powerful and personalized build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.